McCoy. Last day, Rob's going through the mud hole. He didn't. Catherine got way wetter than that. Do it again! Go through it! Go! Jason ain't gonna go through it. Go! Do it again! You barely got wet! Shane, take her to the deep end. Right now. I'm filming. The next one's coming up. We're gonna have to hit that one up too. He went slow.